Hi friends, let us try to understand why the sky is blue. Let's go for a colorful science adventure. So what is sunlight? Sun, as you know, is a source of energy for us. Thermonuclear reaction takes place in sun. Large amount of hydrogen gas is converted into helium and there is a mass effect. Small amount of mass is converted into large amount of energy and this gives out tremendous heat and light in all directions. This sunlight is composed of 7 colors. So sunlight looks white to us, but actually is made up of these component colors. They have different wavelength and our eyes are sensitive to these 7 colors. Which are they? They are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Now light travels in waves. Light does not travel like straight lines we think. Actually, it's like the waves in the ocean. But the thing is, the wavelength is very small. So longer wavelengths are red and orange. They are lazy waves. They move slowly like gentle ocean swells. And shorter ones, they are choppy waves. They go faster. Now, atmosphere is the air around us. It's a thick blanket of air which is invisible to us. Mostly it is made up of nitrogen, 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and some dust particles of water vapor and other gases. They're so small that we can't even see them. So this air blanket protects us from space. Now, when sunlight enters our atmosphere, this light bounces around. It hits the air, the molecules, it interacts with them. So when sunlight reaches the Earth's atmosphere, it collides with the tiny gas molecules. The gas molecules bounces and scatters in all directions possible. Now Rayleigh scattering means shorter blue waves scatter much more than the longer red waves. That's why we can see the blue color everywhere. Now why don't we see it as violet? And what about sunsets? We don't see blue color that time. So violet actually scatters more than blue, but our eyes are sensitive to blue and that's why we see the sky as blue. Now during sunset and sunrise, sunlight has to travel more than usual and hence blue scattered more. So what remains is red and that's why we see red and pink and oranges during sunrise and sunset. Thank you, Mar. Thank you very much. I hope you have liked this. You can ask questions related to this. Thank you very much again.